Hi everyone, welcome back. This is just a video to update you on how to use the new video platform. Everything that you learned in the previous videos pretty much applies. The only difference is just the actual, where to press and stuff. So I just want to show you guys that. Let me just put this here. Okay. So we've changed some of the, some of it, but the video titles or the actual videos, they're the same. It's just we change a little bit the technology. So if you see here, when you first come into the video platform, you're going to see a playlist of videos. So now we have a playlist instead each video being a button. We're able to figure out a way to make a playlist within a button. So you can see here, you have to click on this button here to see the playlist. Now, to change the playlist, you click on the orange button here. And some students have the issue of, they don't see the orange button because maybe the media player is too big, the video is too big. So hold Control on your keyboard, then scroll up and down. So if you scroll up, you might be zoomed in like this. See how I'm zoomed in here? So if I'm zoomed in like this, then I can't really see the edge of the video, right? So I need to hold Control and zoom out. So you want to click on your browser. See how I'm clicking? See my mouse? Click on the browser, hold Control and scroll down to zoom out or in. Okay? So you can see how I'm zooming out there. So you want to be able to see this orange button here. If you're zoomed in, you might not see it. Okay? All right, so this is right here 100%. So this is what's normal for me, and I could see the orange button. You click here and you can see that the schedule and the study guide are still there, just in a different area. And you can see the modules are still all here, but instead of when you click on one of these buttons, instead of it playing a video, it opens a playlist. That's the difference. So you click on for example, basic science. It doesn't mean it's one or two, just means the playlist of basic science. So you close this, then you'll see that the basic science one is actually playing back here because here's the playlist and that's the first video. So you click on this. When you click on basic science here, you open the playlist. When you close it, you'll see that here's the playlist right here. So basic science 1, the questions, basic science 2, questions, just like the same one as before. So the videos themselves are in the same order, but we might have added some, like here I added the Udemy ones. Also, they're just now in a playlist instead of being over here. So you click on this first, then you open the playlist. Another thing that we did is, if you look at, once we get to the pharma, instead of using the word extra, you'll see the word optional. So we'll write the word optional here, like right in front of the video. So that's the same as extra. So if you watch the video, how to use the course or the introduction, you'll see that I said the extra, the ones that say extra, you don't have to watch them. But instead of using the word extra here, we just use the word optional, okay? And it's in front of the video in here. So you won't see the word optional or extra here anymore. You'll just see it in front of the name of the video in the playlist, okay? Other thing is that there's chapters now. So you can see these checkpoints. If you go and look at them, they'll tell you titles. So you could say, okay, if you want to go to action potential, you could click on it and it'll take you to action potential right away. So that's pretty much what the new stuff is. It's very minimal, nothing like, it's not nothing major. Everything that we talked about, the quizzes, the concepts of in-class recording and the online recording, which videos have the questions, which don't, all that stuff, and which ones are priority are the same. So we go back to the 2 rules we said. The first rule is trust the system. Trust that you need to watch the videos in order. That's how we have them set up, to watch them in order. And rule number 2 is, instead of the word extra, we have optional. If the video says optional, you don't have to watch that one unless you feel you have extra time and you feel like reviewing from it, okay? Pretty much that's it. Just learn how to navigate the platform. Remember, you click here, click on which module, basic science, for example, and then you get the playlist for all the videos of that module in here, in this black box here. Okay, that's all for the update. Thank you, and keep going.